Hi, first grade. Today, for our math story lesson, we are going to learn something new. So, last week we learned how to solve math story problems that are asking you how many more. So, for example, Miss Shays has 10 donuts and Miss Jocelyn has 6 donuts. How many more donuts does Miss Shays have than Miss Jocelyn? Well, today we're going to learn the opposite of that. We're going to learn math story problems that are asking how to solve math story problems that are asking us how many less. So I've written down my math story problem. We're going to solve this very similar to the way that we solved the problem that's asking you how many more. Here is the math story problem, and you can read along with me while I read it out loud. Okay? So just why don't you take a minute here, pause the video, go grab a pencil and a paper if you haven't already, so that we can solve this problem together. Okay? All right, here we go. Miss Shays has 8 donuts. Miss Jocelyn has 6 donuts. How many less donuts does Miss Jocelyn have than Miss Shays? Okay, here is how we solve this problem. So, do you remember how last week we did our little dots for each donut, and we had we make a one that goes all the way across. We label them for Miss Shays and Miss Jocelyn, and I already went ahead and drew out the dots, but I'm going to count them with you. So remember, Miss Shays has 8 donuts. So here's what I did. I just drew 8 circles all the way across. We'll count them together. While I count, you can draw them on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 donuts. And then I circle that, put an S next to it so that I know that that's how many donuts Miss Shays has. Okay? And I'm going to go back to my story problem and see how many donuts does Miss Jocelyn have again? Miss Jocelyn has 6 donuts. So I'm going to go back over here, and just like we did with our math story problem from last week, I'm going to draw the circles right underneath Miss Shays, okay, so that they line up perfectly so that I can count them. So here we go. We have Miss Jocelyn has 6 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give you a second to write that down so that you can write down all of this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I see that all of these circles for Miss Shays and Miss Jocelyn, they all line up, right? So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So we both have 6 donuts, at least 6 donuts. But we want to know how many less donuts Miss Jocelyn has than Miss Shays. So what we're going to do right here is we're just going to draw a line all the way down. Because Miss Shays has 6 donuts here, plus 2 is 8. And Miss Jocelyn has 6 donuts only. So we can see that Miss Jocelyn has 2 less donuts than Miss Shays. We count what's left here, right? 1, 2. Miss Jocelyn has 2 less donuts, or 2 fewer donuts than Miss Shays. Here's how we can write this out. Miss Shays has 8 donuts minus Miss Jocelyn has 6 donuts equals 2. So I'm going to write that right here. I'm going to just shorten my name to J. J has 2 less donuts than Miss Shays. Okay? And that's how you solve that problem. Okay. So there are more of these to solve in your packets. Miss Jocelyn's learning hour is Monday through Thursday from 3 to 4. And if you have questions on how to solve this one or how to solve the how many more questions, math story problems, you can come to my learning hour and I can help you through it. Okay? All right. Have fun with those math story problems. Great job. Keep up the learning. Bye.